In this video, I am going to show you how to withdraw from a job application. Navigating job applications on Indeed involves understanding how to withdraw from a job you've applied for and knowing the limitations regarding reapplying or editing submitted applications. And here's how to withdraw from a job application on Indeed. After applying for a job through Indeed, keep an eye on your email inbox. Employers can communicate with applicants directly via email, including sending notifications related to the application status. In some cases, the email from the employer will include a withdrawal link. This option is provided at the employer's discretion and is not available for all job applications. If you decide to withdraw from the application process for any reason, you can click this link. You'll likely be directed to a confirmation page where you must confirm your decision to withdraw your application. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.